This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep. Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. Look at this, 2 videos in one day. Oh, I feel so special. I get to talk to you and spend some time with you here in the trailer hood. I just wanted to let you know about something I mentioned before about a friend of mine. His name is Michael Hale, and he's a good guy, great guy. I used to work with him in a radio station in Bangor, Maine, back years and years and years ago. And Mike's had kind of a tough time the past year, like most of us have, but for other reasons, and he can tell you about that later on. But I've made something for him, and it's in this box right here, and I'm going to be sending that out to him. And what we're going to do is we'll do an unboxing of what I've made. I'm really, really happy and proud of how this came out. And a good friend of mine, her name's Nicole, and she helped me out with part of the project. She did a great job. Thank you so much for that. And I'm going to send this out now. I've got pictures of it, but I don't want to show it here because I don't want to spoil it. I don't want him to see it before he opens it up, because he told me that he will not open it until we do the Zoom call. So I'll be sending this out today, and hopefully in a few days we'll have that Zoom call, and Michael can give us a reaction to what I've sent him. And it's really nice, and actually it's so nice. I'm going to build another one because I did not do a video on me building this. So I'm going to make another one, and this one's going to be for me because I want one now. It has to do with the fact that Mike has been in radio for many, many years. I was in radio for about 10 years. He's, I don't know how long. We'll have to ask him, but it's something that reflects his radio background. So, and now I want one. So I'll do a video on that too. And after we do the Zoom call, I can show you how I made this. I'll do a real quick one of how I made this, put it all together, and that ought to be a lot of fun. I love making stuff for people and sending it to them and getting their reactions, because, you know, it's nice to give. And that being said, on this day back in 1963, 58 years ago, I was born. Yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, it's my birthday today. And on this day of my birth, the anniversary of my birth, I'm sending out a gift to somebody else. And I got to tell you, I feel pretty damn good about it. So, yeah. So if you want to leave a comment, wish me a happy birthday, that would be fine. If you don't, that'd be okay too. If you want to make fun of me for being old, that's all right too. I don't care. And that's gonna be it, I guess. Just a quick video. Mike, it's on the way, or will be on the way shortly. And just note that I have dropped this about 4 times. So if it's broken beyond repair, I can always make you another one. Okay? So that's it for our quick little bonus video on this Monday, which also happens to be Martin Luther King Jr. Day. His birthday was actually 3 days ago, but you know, we celebrate birthdays for famous people on Mondays for some reason. I don't know, but happy Martin Luther King Jr. birthday too, or happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Yeah, that's gonna do it. For the Old Guy Network, I'm the Old Guy. Thanks for hanging out with me in the trailer hood. I'm out.